You don't understand. This is the only natural alarm clock. This is a sunrise alarm clock that increases brightness just like the sun. This is how you're naturally supposed to wake up. Like any alarm clock, you set what time you want to wake up. With this one, you set the max brightness you want this to get to, how fast you want to ramp to that brightness, and the sound if you're a really heavy sleeper. I'm pretty light. I don't need anything except this. It also can act as a lamp, give you a cool atmosphere in your room. You can also turn it off through the buttons on the panel here. If you're ready to make a change and wake up naturally and feel better in the morning, I have this at the shop link below. They are running a deal. I don't know when the deal is going to end though. And hit the follow button if you want to see more cool gadgets like this.